Hello, everybody. This is Mrs. Schultz, and today we are going to do our participation point challenge to find out our winner of the $20 gift card. So, anybody who participated in this challenge and earned 5 or more points from about mid-April to mid-May is eligible for this. So, if you earned 5 points, you have 1 entry, 10 points or more 2, 15 points or more 3, and then 20 points or more 4. So what I'll do is enter everybody's name in, so bear with me as I type your name in. So Will has 1 entry, Shamia has 2, and you kind of see up above that there's a spinning wheel that your names are being added to as I add them. Sophia has 2, Leslie has 1, Hamina has 1, Isabel has 2, Ellie has 1, Gunnar has 4. Pardon my slow typing here. Jenna has 2. Heaven has 2. Francis has 1. Annika has 2. Max has 1. Beckiana has 2. Trinity has 2. Yaslim has 2. Caleb has 1. And Rainey has 1. So then what I'll do is I'll shuffle this a few times so that they're out of order on our spinning wheel. We'll look above here, click the wheel to see who our winner is. And our winner is Rainey. Congratulations, Rainey. I will be reaching out to you to let you know or to have you select a store, which I will send you a virtual gift card to. Everyone else who participated will be getting 10 extra credit points if you earned 5 points or more, and I'll be entering those in this week. So thank you so much for your participation, and have a great rest of your day and week.